Hair fall is of two different kinds. It is normally due to hormonal issues, which is called as androgenetic alopecia, which can be having a male pattern baldness or a female pattern baldness. And the second type, most commonly that is seen, is the telogen effluvium. So telogen effluvium is the hair fall that is caused by stress on the body. The stress can be physical stress or a mental stress. Physical stress or mental stress tends to influence the hair cycle. The hair normally is in a different phase of different cycles, which includes the growing phase, where 80% of the hair is normally in a growing phase. There is a resting and a shedding out phase. What happens is when the body undergoes a lot of stress, which includes mental or physical stress, there is a reversal of this ratio. So 70 to 80% of the hair can be in a shedding phase, and growing phase can be reduced to as low as 10%. So this reversal of the ratio causes more of the hair fall. So there is increased shedding of the hair that we see. The shedding of the hair can happen from the scalp hair, it can happen from eyebrows, eyelashes, and even other body areas. But 99% of the time it is from the scalp, where females or males tend to see a lot of hair when you tend to comb your hair. When you wake up, you may see a lot of hair on the pillow, when you put oil on the hair, or when you shampoo the hair. This happens because of the stress on the hair follicle that makes it very weak, and the hair tends to shed off. But do not worry guys, there are treatments available for this. One and most important is flushing your body with antioxidants, increasing your proteins in your diet, because amino acids are the building blocks of hair. Secondly, you can apply a lot of serums and lotions, from peptides to many other anti-hair fall serums are available, which can be applied twice a day for a period of approximately 3 months time. Then there are shampoos that are available. Shampoos which are again anti-hair fall shampoos. The caffeine containing shampoos work wonderfully for this condition. They can be applied twice a week. Coconut oil and vitamin E oil, any one of this can be chosen. It can be applied twice a week for a good nourishment of the scalp and the hair areas. Of course, if it becomes worse, there are more medical line treatments and procedures that can be done at the clinic. So guys, this is about hair fall and its management, especially speaking about telogen effluvium.